The Baron R/T, the lost presentation of a 1960s concept car believed to be by Volkswagen Motors. Introduction. For the past few years, there has been a growing interest in specialized vehicles. This includes various types of all-terrain and semi-all-terrain vehicles, along with dune buggies and other type kit cars. As the past has indicated, there will always be a market for the unique vehicle that serves a specific purpose, or multi-purpose, especially the latter. The commuter vehicle should be the next major market within the US. However, the design concept and price will be the determining factor in the success of this type vehicle, along with other attributes which would make the vehicle desirable. The major considerations would concern safety, styling, and simplicity of design, along with a do-it-yourself maintenance concept, and be very economical to operate. The vehicles would have exceptional accessibility to all major replaceable components and parts availability. This projection proposes for manufacture such a vehicle. Two vehicles are proposed for manufacture, one having 3 wheels and the second 4 wheels. Each is a 2-seater with ample storage space provided behind the seats. These vehicles are designed primarily for intercity and suburban commuting and would be sold in kit form. The kit would include a complete service and repair manual. The vehicle would have a motorcycle engine or similar engine for power, and it would be located in the rear. Since the clutch and transmission is part of the engine, it creates a compact and simple power unit. The rear axle final drive would consist of a simple enclosed gearbox or differential. Full independent suspension would be used with braking supplied by disc units. A unique fiberglass chassis is used and is bonded and riveted to the fiberglass body. This structure provides excellent rigidity which solves the torsional problems associated with a 3-wheel vehicle. A special integral roll cage is designed into the cars and provides excellent roll protection, and a restraint harness is provided for each occupant. The windshields and windows are a new DuPont shatter-proof acrylic with a special coating which makes it scratch-proof. The components supplied with the kit will be warranted by the individual manufacturers after installation of the various components have been approved on the production prototype by these manufacturers. The sole liability of the company providing the kit would be the fiberglass body and chassis structure which will be manufactured by this company. The warranty of the components is void when not installed according to the installation manual provided, or when the vehicle is used for racing or commercial purposes. It is hoped that the complete kit can be sold for $1,500, factory direct. Initial sales would be made at various auto and sports shows in a regional area. It is proposed that the first manufacturing phase or initial kit car, Baron R/T, be offered as a body only with full interior to fit a shortened VW chassis with an 80-inch wheelbase. 2 basic options would be offered with this vehicle. The first option would consist of a removable gullwing top and side window assembly, including a removable rear window. The top and rear window may be stowed behind the rear seat by lifting up the hinged rear deck cover, which covers the storage area. The second option consists of fixed lower body panels for the front, sides, and rear. Approximately 1 year would be required to have this car ready to market, including establishing a manufacturing capability. The second manufacturing phase would be accomplished over a 2-year period, and a complete kit car would be offered including the chassis, running gear, engine, etc. The 3-wheel version would be optional, and manufacture of this vehicle will be decided upon during the planning of the second manufacturing phase. Here, the Baron R/T begins to take shape. A sleek, low-slung design with gullwing doors and minimalist lines that echo the sports cars of its era. These original renderings show both the convertible and hardtop variations proposed for the kit. The concept aimed to blend performance with practicality, a commuter car that looked and felt like an exotic machine.